Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I remove the brake cable from the shock mounting bracket on a 2004 and up Club Car Precedent. The brake cable can sometimes be tough to remove because there are safety pins that prevent the cable from slipping out of the bracket while you are driving. To do this, you will need a keyed hose clamp. You can buy these hose clamps at your local auto parts store or hardware. I was able to find them at AutoZone, and I will leave a link in the description. So first thing you gotta do is you gotta loosen it up. You gotta loosen it up until it gets loose like this, right? Cool, and then you gotta put it over the hose clamp. Alright, you just slide it in, get it over there. And then you gotta get it in. And once you get it in, you just start twisting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist till it gets really tight. Now, when it gets tighter, eventually there's gonna need a little bit of muscle. So we're gonna just keep on. It's gonna get real tight on you. So you just bring it up, see if I can get it, tighten it some more. And now that's through. So once you get it through, you loosen it up. Okay, and then you should be able to pull it right out. Look at that.